When it comes to e-ink tablets, especially those aimed at professionals, students, and creative individuals, the market is getting increasingly interesting. Two of the latest entrants making waves are the Viwoods AiPaper and the AINOTE 2. Both promise to blend the tactile feel of paper with the intelligence of AI, but each comes with its own strengths, quirks, and user experiences. Today, let's break down everything you need to know, so you can figure out which one truly fits your workflow. Starting with the display, both devices offer impressive e-ink technology, but there are nuances. The Viwoods AiPaper features a 10.65-inch e-ink Carta 1300 display with a sharp 2560 by 1920 resolution, giving it a pixel density of around 300 ppi. This ensures that texts, diagrams, and sketches appear crisp and highly readable. Its ultra-thin profile at 4.5 millimeters and weight of 370 grams makes it portable enough to carry around all day, whether you're in meetings, traveling, or taking notes on the go. Users particularly appreciate the glare-free screen that reduces eye strain, making long reading or writing sessions comfortable. On the other hand, the AINOTE 2 also offers a 10.65-inch e-ink Carta 1300 Plus display with the same 2560 by 1920 resolution. What sets it apart is its claim to be the world's thinnest AI-powered e-paper tablet, measuring just 4.2 millimeters in thickness and weighing only 295 grams. This ultra-lightweight design makes it slightly more portable than the Viwoods. And if you prioritize holding a device comfortably for extended periods, that small difference in weight and thickness can feel significant. Both devices mimic the paper-like experience remarkably well. In terms of aesthetics, both tablets lean toward minimalism, with sleek edges and smooth surfaces. The Viwoods opts for a slightly more substantial feel, which some users might find more reassuring in the hand, while the AINOTE 2's feather-light design makes it feel futuristic and almost like a high-end smartphone in the e-ink world. Performance is another critical aspect when comparing these tablets, especially if you plan to run multiple apps or handle complex files. The Viwoods AiPaper is powered by a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This setup is robust enough for note-taking, PDF reading, light productivity apps, and AI-driven handwriting conversion. Its Android 13 base ensures compatibility with a wide range of third-party applications, which is a significant plus for users who want flexibility in their workflow. The AINOTE 2, meanwhile, is powered by an octa-core RK3576 AIoT chip and also has 4 GB of RAM, but its internal storage is 64 GB, while it has less storage than the Viwoods. The device emphasizes AI integration, so its performance is optimized for transcription, handwriting recognition, and real-time AI-assisted tasks. Running on a custom Android-based operating system, it supports essential productivity and note-taking apps, though its ecosystem may not be as expansive as a full Android tablet. Essentially, Viwoods offers more storage and slightly more general-purpose flexibility, while AINOTE 2 is purpose-built for AI-driven productivity. Where these devices really stand out is in their AI integration. The Viwoods AiPaper offers handwriting recognition, note conversion to text, and intelligent syncing with cloud platforms like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. It can also analyze notes to some extent, and its integration with calendars and task lists makes it a decent productivity tool for professionals managing multiple schedules. The AINOTE 2, however, takes AI a step further. It's powered by GPT-5, enabling real-time voice-to-text transcription, multi-language support, smart meeting summaries, and intelligent search. You can literally circle a word in your notes, and the AI can help you find related content or summarize discussions around it. It also provides translation across multiple languages, making it incredibly useful for global teams or multilingual study environments. Essentially, if your priority is having an AI assistant that actively enhances your workflow rather than just digitizing your notes, the AINOTE 2 is clearly ahead. Both tablets are designed with handwriting in mind, and here, the stylus quality and software optimization play a key role. The Viwoods AiPaper comes with a stylus that supports 2 types of tips and magnetic attachment. It comes with a smooth writing experience, which feels close to pen on paper and minimal latency. For students, professionals, or creatives who spend hours taking notes, sketching ideas, or annotating PDFs, this responsiveness is vital. The AINOTE 2 also offers a highly precise stylus with low latency, and its AI features enhance the writing experience by allowing handwriting to text conversion in 133 languages. The writing surface feels very similar to premium paper tablets, though the smaller weight may make prolonged sessions slightly more tiring compared to the slightly more substantial Viwoods. Battery performance is another key comparison point. The Viwoods AiPaper packs a 4,100 mAh battery, supporting up to 14 days of moderate use. Combined with its 370-gram weight, it strikes a balance between endurance and portability. The AINOTE 2 features a 4,000 mAh battery, which can provide up to 14 days of typical usage, or up to 90 days in standby mode. Its ultra-lightweight design of just 295 grams gives it an edge in portability, making it exceptionally easy to carry around for meetings, classes, or travel. Both devices support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless syncing with cloud platforms and other devices. The Viwoods AiPaper's full Android 13 environment offers broad app compatibility, which means you can install productivity tools, e-readers, or even creative apps. The AINOTE 2, while running on a custom Android-based OS, is more specialized, focusing on its AI features. It supports essential apps and cloud integration, but its ecosystem is slightly narrower than Viwoods' more general-purpose Android setup. Availability is another important factor. The Viwoods AiPaper is priced at around $549, and the AINOTE 2 is priced at around $599. Viwoods AiPaper is ideal for those who want a larger internal storage capacity, immediate availability, and a reliable general-purpose Android e-ink tablet. It's perfect for students, writers, and professionals who value flexibility, need to store many files, or prefer a slightly more substantial device in the hand for long writing sessions. On the other hand, AINOTE 2 is best suited for tech enthusiasts, professionals, or students who prioritize cutting-edge AI capabilities. If real-time transcription, smart summaries, and AI-assisted note management are essential to your workflow, this tablet shines. Its ultra-lightweight design also makes it attractive for those who carry a device all day and need maximum portability.